Young's modulus of elasticity. Let us see the one type of the modulus is called as a Young's modulus. Now I take this is a wall. So in this wall there is a wire whose length is L, whose initial length is L. Now what we are going to give? Now the force is applied on this wire. The force is applied on this wire in the downward direction. What will happen? The wire will be extended due to the elastic nature of this material. So the wire is extended up to a small length delta L. So this is the change in length. The original length is L. How much distance it is extended? Delta L is a distance expanded. The length is extended up to delta L. So the force is applied on this downward direction. The area of force applied is this area. So Young's modulus means there is a linear wise, lengthwise change is called as a, already I told you the strain is called as a change in dimension by original dimension. Here the dimensional change is only along lengthwise, only along the lengthwise. So the Young's modulus, we can say that Young's modulus can be written as the symbol for Young's modulus. We are using Y. So Young's modulus, which is equal to longitudinal stress by longitudinal strain. Longitudinal means linear, lengthwise. So longitudinal strain. So longitudinal stress means, already stress means force by area only. So the longitudinal stress is a force applied in this wire in the given area. This is a cross-sectional area. So by area, whole divided by, this is a Young's modulus. So the longitudinal stress is force by area. Longitudinal strain means change in dimension by original dimension. What is a change in length? So change in length is a delta L. Original length is L. So we can write F by A into, what will happen? So that A will come here. So L by delta L. So this is the formula for Young's modulus. F into L by, this is the area, by delta L. What is the SI unit of Young's modulus? The SI unit of Young's modulus or any modulus is Newton per meter square. So Young's modulus is defined as longitudinal stress by longitudinal strain. Longitudinal means lengthwise force applied in the given area. So there is a lengthwise, along the lengthwise. So longitudinal strain means change in dimension by original dimension. What is a change in length? Change in length means, so this much length is increased because of the force applied. So this is the change in length. This is the original length. So the according to formula, stress is equal to force by area, strain which is equal to change in length by original length. So by substituting this one, we get an equation Young's modulus which is equal to F by A into L by delta L. The SI unit is Newton per meter square. Then the next type is bulk modulus of elasticity. So the bulk modulus of elasticity means it is a volume. This Young's modulus means lengthwise. Bulk modulus means volume wise change. Let us take a small box whose initial volume is taken as V. Whose initial volume is taken as V. This is the initial volume. Initial volume. Okay, it's the initial volume. Wait. Then what we are going to give? Now the force, external force will be applied equally on all the directions. So what will happen? The force F is applied on all the direction with the given area. So what will happen? The volume of this box will be decreases. The volume of the box will be decreases. So this change in volume. How much volume decreases is a delta V. How much volume decreases is a delta V. So delta V is a change in volume. Change in volume. So we can say that what is the final volume? So final volume can be written as, can you able to guess that? So final volume means original volume minus the change in volume is a new volume V dash. Okay, so this is the V dash volume. So original volume is V and final volume is V dash. V dash minus V is equal to delta V. So that is the change in volume. Don't confuse. So original volume is V. That is the original volume means initial volume is V. Here the bulk modulus means stress by strain. So the bulk modulus means volume stress by volume strain. Volume stress by volume strain. So volume stress means the force applied on the box in the all the side. So the volume stress is force by area only. Then volume strain means change in volume by original volume. Change in volume by original volume. So for the bulk modulus we can use the symbol kappa. So that is kappa. So kappa means it is a Greek word. So it is like a K, but you have to bring it like this. Okay, so kappa means K only. So you have to write like this. Just you extend this line. This is a kappa. So this bulk modulus which is equal to F by A into delta V. Sorry, that means this V will come to the upward. So V by delta V. What is the SI unit of bulk modulus? Here also Newton per meter square. So for all the modulus SI unit is Newton per meter square. Very simple concept. Volume wise change means bulk modulus. Length wise change means Young's modulus. There is another important concept which is related to this bulk modulus is if you take the compressibility. So compressibility means anybody's compressibility means it is a reciprocal of compressibility is a reciprocal of bulk modulus. Compressibility is a reciprocal of bulk modulus. You should know this. So the SI unit of compressibility. What is the SI unit of compressibility means? It is a inverse of Newton per meter square. That is n power minus 1 Newton plus squared. So this is a SI unit of compressibility. The reciprocal of the bulk modulus of the material is called compressibility. So there is two types of modulus. What are the things? Young's modulus and bulk modulus. In our syllabus, they are deleted the portion called as rigidity modulus. Rigidity modulus means there is a rotational stress by rotational strain. So that is not included in the NCERT portions. That is a deleted portion. So the modulus for our NCERT portion is Young's modulus and bulk modulus only.